skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia and I'm very excited to be bringing you the ISI Freestyle 6 level footwork sequence today. Now this one is quite a challenging one. Let's look at what this footwork sequence actually looks like. Now, as you can see in that video, there's quite a lot of footwork that goes into it. You have rockers, counters, loops, as well as back 3 turns, forward 3 turns, a unique bunny hop, a unique tap toe. Some of those things I've already taught here on the YouTube channel, and some of them are things that are just taught on the Coach Julia Club, as well as all 8 different counters, all 8 different rockers, all 8 different loops. So there's a lot of footwork taught on the club. So if you are missing any elements on here, I encourage you to head over to coachjulia.club. You can join that whole community there. You can learn with me from your very first steps on the ice through your double rotation jumps over on coachjulia.club. But for today, let's get started learning this ISI Freestyle 6 footwork sequence. So this dance step is going to run almost the length of the ice if you do it the way it should be done. I usually have my students start around the curling circles, and you want to end close to the curling circles on the other side. You may need to start it a little smaller, get the footwork down really strong, and then expand it the more you do it. But if you're a really strong skater working on passing Freestyle 6, your goal eventually is to get to the curling circles on the other side. You should at least tail off there and check out near the curling circles. We're going to start moving counterclockwise. We're going to start with a step out onto our left forward outside edge, cross behind, and then do a crossover. Now we're going to step to our left forward outside edge, face our wall, and we're going to do a left forward outside bracket. So that one you want to pass alongside the wall. So I'm like, I don't know, 6 feet from the wall when I'm doing my bracket. I'm facing that wall and check. All right, so we have forward step, cross behind, forward step, cross in front, and bracket. So from the top, left forward, cross behind, left forward, cross in front, left forward outside, and bracket. Now your foot's gonna come behind you, and we're doing a tap toe jump that crisscrosses. It's really cool. So you checked out of your bracket, you're on your left back inside edge. Your right leg is gonna cross behind. You wanna keep facing your left hip. So you've checked out of your bracket, you're facing your left hip, your right foot's gonna go behind, your toe is gonna go into the ice, and then you open up into a twisty tap toe jump. So when you land that crisscrossy tap toe jump, you're going to be pushing onto your right forward inside edge, and this is going to set us up for our second bracket. So we're going to do our right forward inside bracket. Okay, now I have all my brackets taught on my club, but you can learn these individual ones here on YouTube as well. All right, so if you need to brush up on those individual skills, you can before you put them all together. So we've done our crisscross tap toe. It's going to go like this. Crisscross, and then we're going to push from our landing into our right forward inside bracket. And then we're going to cross, step out, and cross again. This is a little grapevine section, which you have done in the freestyle, in the freestyle 3 footwork and the freestyle 5 footwork. So you should be very familiar with this. So we have from our bracket, right forward inside bracket, check, cross behind, step open, cross over. And that is going to set us up for our first counter turn. So this is going to be a left back inside counter. So what we're gonna do with our body is counter rotate. So we're rotating away from our turn and then we're releasing into the turn. So that's going to be a left back inside edge. We're going to rotate away and then release and check. So we're starting on our left back inside. We're rotating like a bracket, honestly, and then we're turning away from that bracket and checking out the other way on our forward inside edge. So I'm setting up as if I'm going to do a left back inside bracket, and then I'm going to rotate the other direction, turn, and check forward on my left forward inside edge. So from the beginning, really quick, we have step, cross behind, step, cross in front, left forward outside bracket, crisscross tap toe, left, right forward inside bracket, our grapevine step, and our left forward back inside counter. From here, we are going to do a double bunny hop and push, and then we have our 3-turn section. Now we started over there on that side of the ice, so now we are going down across the wall on the other side of the ice from where we started. So we have a left double bunny hop, and we push onto our right forward outside edge for a 3-turn. We're gonna switch feet, left back outside 3-turn, step into a mohawk, and right back inside 3-turn. So it's 3 turns in a row with a little mohawk step in between. So we did our right back inside 3-turn. Now you're gonna stay on that foot and do kind of like a power pull. You're pulling yourself forward onto your left forward outside edge. You're gonna face your right hip. You're pulling yourself forward onto your right forward outside edge. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. Sometimes when I do footwork, my words get all jumbled together. So you're pulling yourself forward into a right forward outside rocker. You're facing your right side, and then you're gonna check back so you're now on your right back outside edge. So you're staying same edge, outside to outside. And we're doing that right forward outside rocker and rocker. Okay, so that rocker happens without putting your foot down between the 3-turn. All right, so let me show you that one more time, just the 3-turn and the rocker. So one more time, just so we're really clear, it's gonna be right back inside 3-turn, right forward outside rocker. Right back inside 3-turn, pull, right forward outside rocker. Okay, now we're gonna cross in front, step wide onto our right back inside edge, and we're gonna do our loop. From here, we're gonna step to our left and do a 3-turn. So one more time, we're going cross, step wide onto our right, we're doing a right back inside loop, stepping onto our left back inside, doing a 3-turn, and then we're gonna jump into a waltz jump and cross our feet. I love waltz jump crosses. If you haven't learned it, this is your moment. You're gonna waltz jump, land, and then cross your feet. Super fun. Okay, skaters, we are almost done. All right, we're nearly there. I know this is so much to learn, but from that waltz jump cross, we're gonna take a wide step on our right, and then back onto our left, do a left back inside loop, and check out. And you can see I am down here by our curling circles. We have made it all the way across the ice with this pattern. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the whole thing talking through. I might have some trouble because it's so many directions and edges, but we're gonna give it a try. From the top, we're going to go left forward outside, right forward inside, left forward outside, right forward inside, left forward outside bracket, crisscross tap toe, right forward inside bracket, our grapevine step. We're gonna do our left back inside counter, double bunny hop, right forward outside 3-turn, left back outside, inside 3-turn, mohawk, right forward inside 3-turn, power pull, right forward outside rocker, cross, step wide into our left back inside loop, step We have our left back inside 3-turn, waltz jump cross, step wide to the right, step wide to the left, loop, and check. All right, I think I got all those right. Okay, so I want to show you this diagram. This is from the ISI rulebook. We're starting here and moving down the ice. So you can see the pattern that we're making. We have that step, cross behind, step, cross in front. Here's our left forward outside bracket near the wall. I talked about facing the wall. This is our funny crisscross tap toe. Our right forward inside bracket. This right here is our grapevine. We do our counter and it starts going up the ice a little bit. You can see we made a little bit of a loop. It's not really up the ice, just a little bit. Here's our double bunny hop, and then that 3-turn sequence that goes down by the wall. Here you can see our rocker, that cross. Here's our first loop, our 3-turn, our waltz jump cross, our step wide, and our last loop. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that somewhat challenging ISI Freestyle 6 footwork sequence. Now remember, if you want to learn all of the individual elements that go into it, the 8 different counters, the 8 different rockers, the 8 different loops, you can learn those through the Coach Julia Club at coachjulia.club or follow the link down below. I hope you enjoyed this one though. I look forward to reading all your comments in that section down below, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Happy skating.